Hello again, everyone. All right, so we should have our phonics notebook, a pencil, and a red marker or crayon. And let's get ready to get started. Now, this week we've been looking at the H brothers, but the H brother that we have been focusing on is the ch, ch, chuck brother. All right. Remember, we said earlier today there are two ways that we can make the ch sound. We hear the ch sound at the beginning of a word. It's always going to be spelled ch. We can also have the ch sound at the end of a word. Okay. If we hear a long vowel in front of the ch sound, we're going to spell it ch. And also, if the ch sound is not right beside a vowel sound, we're also going to spell it ch. But today, we are going to be looking at the new letters TCH. Okay, and we're going to be talking about when do we spell words with a TCH. Now, if you see it on our cards during our phonics first lesson, you will see that there is a dash in front of our TCH. And we put a dash in front of words or syllables that go at the end of a word to remind us that there are letters that come in front of it and that those letters are always going to be used at the end of a word or a syllable. Okay? So now our rule for TCH, for spelling words with TCH, if we hear the ch sound at the end of a word and it comes right after a vowel that says its sound, okay, that short vowel, which means the vowel says its sound, we're going to spell a word with TCH. Okay, so today we're going to practice that rule of spelling our words with TCH at the end. Okay, so get your pencil ready and you're going to write down your words. Remember, after this, we're going to diagram those words. So we need to leave enough room that we can underline our vowels. We can write whether they're short or long, or if they say their sound or their name. And we can also circle our blends and box in our digraphs. Okay, so here we go. Our first word is catch. Catch. Where do I hear ch? Do I hear it at the beginning or the end? Catch. I hear it at the end. That's when I have to ask myself that question. Does the vowel say its sound or does the vowel say its name? Catch. Oh, it says its sound. So that tells me I'm going to spell the ending TCH. So we should have 5 letters for this sound or this word. Let's see. CATCH. Catch. Good job. Our next word is botch. You might be thinking, botch? What does that mean? If you botch something, it's kind of like you make a mistake or you mess something up. So botch. Let's sound it out. B-otch. We heard that ch sound at the end, and it's right beside the ah sound. Does that say its sound or its name? Think about it. B-otch. It says its sound, so we're going to spell it TCH. So you should have BOTCH. Good job. Our next word is fetch. Like I play fetch with my dog. Let's pound in finger tap. Fetch. F-etch. I hear it at the end, right beside that short vowel. F-etch. Right there. We're going to spell it with fetch. TCH. Good job, because it's right there beside that short vowel eh, or that E says its sound. Our next word, itch. Itch. Let's still pound it in finger tap. Ready? Itch. Itch. We hear that ch sound at the end. So how are we going to spell it? It's right beside a short vowel. We're going to spell the word itch. I-T-C-H. Good job. One more word. Hutch. Hutch. Pound it. Hutch. Ch. Ooh, I hear a ch. Huh. Ch. I hear ch right beside a short vowel. How am I going to spell it? Do you have 5 letters? Ch. That should be your hint. Huh. Ch. My word is hutch. H-U-T-C-H. Very good. All right. Now let's diagram our words. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to get my other presentation ready. Here we go. All right. Let me get my pen. We're going to diagram our words. Remember, the first thing we're looking for is our vowels. Okay. So we're going to underline the vowel. And we'll underline the talking vowel. In this word, there's only one vowel, so we know that this one is going to be our talking vowel. We're going to mark it with our V, right? So we underline our vowels with the V. And then we need to look to see what is our vowel going to say. Is it going to say its name or is it going to say its sound? So we see that there is a consonant. Ooh, look. T-C-H. Remember, we draw a square, or in this case, it's kind of like a rectangle. We draw a square or a rectangle around our digraphs because they are not being pushed together to keep their sounds, but just makes it together. They make one sound. They make the ch sound. So I see this is a consonant behind it. So my vowel is going to be short, or it's going to say its sound. So we have B. Ch. Botch. Very good. Let's look at our next word, which is fetch. All right. Underline the vowels. Mark them with a V. Okay. Then we're going to look behind the vowel. We see it is a digraph. No circles this time. It's all squares this time because they all work together to make one sound. So the box means one sound. Our vowel is going to be short, or it's going to say its sound because it's not an open syllable. It's closed off by those other vowel or consonants. So we have f, ch, fetch. Good job. Let's look at our next word. Underline the vowels. Mark it with a V. Now we need to see if it's going to be a long vowel and say its name or a short vowel and say its sound. We're going to box in our digraph, right? Or our trigraph, actually, because there's 3 words. We know I is followed by a consonant, so it's short. We have itch, itch. Very good. Let's look at our last word, hutch. Underline the vowels. Mark them with a V. There's one vowel in this word. We got to see if it's going to be a long vowel and say its name, or a short vowel and say its sound. We're going to box in that trigraph because it makes one sound. Our vowel is going to be a short vowel because it has a consonant following it. So we have ch, hutch. Very good. Make sure you've taken a picture of your words if you're going to use your board for your sentence. And then let's get ready to go to our sentence. We're going to read our words real quick. We have catch, botch, fetch, itch, hutch. Good job. Here we go. Let's get ready for writing our sentence. Okay? I'm going to read it 2 times and then we'll break it down a few words at a time. Here we go. Chuck will play catch and fetch with his dog. Chuck will play catch and fetch with his dog. Here we go. A couple words at a time. Remember, if you get behind, pause the video until you're caught up and then press play and we'll keep going. Chuck will play. Chuck will play. Ooh, I hear the ch sound at the beginning of Chuck. Chuck will play catch and fetch. Catch and fetch with his dog. With his dog. Good job. So our sentence should be, Chuck will play catch and fetch with his dog. All right, if you are not finished with your sentence right now, go ahead and pause your video because I'm fixing to show you the answers and I don't want you to see it before you're done with all your hard work. So pause your video now. Here we go. Look at your sentence. Make sure that your sentence begins with a capital letter, a capital C with Chuck. There are 2 reasons we capitalize that C. The first is because it's the first word of a sentence. The second reason we capitalize that C is because it's the first letter of someone's name. So we see Chuck will play catch and fetch with his dog. And you have to make sure you have that polka dot period at the end to tell you to stop. Very good. All right. The last thing we need to do today is our red words. So let's go ahead and get out your red crayon or your red marker. And today we are going to spell our words on our paper 3 times. You can either write it 3 separate times or you can trace over the same word each time. Okay, here we go. Our first word is does. Does this help you learn? Does. Remember, we're going to spell it out loud. I need to hear you say the letters as you write them. So here we go. Ready? D-O-E-S. Does. Very good. Let's trace it again with the same crayon. D-O-E-S. Does. Remember, you can go right back over the top of the first one or you can write it beside it, but make sure you're saying the letters out loud. Last time. D-O-E-S. Does. Very good. Our next word is first. First. Last year, you were in first grade. Here we go, guys. Make sure you're looking at your paper or at the board or your computer to make sure you're spelling it correct. Spell it out loud with me. F-I-R-S-T. First. Let's go again. F-I-R-S-T. First. Very good. F-I-R-S-T. First. Fabulous job. Our next word is made. Here we go. Let's spell it 3 times. M-A-D-E. Made. This is the word made, like I made my bed this morning. Let's do it 2 more times. M-A-D-E. Made. Last one. M-A-D-E. Made. Good job. And our final word for today is very. I am very proud of you guys. Let's spell it together. V-E-R-Y. Very. V-E-R-Y. Very. Last time. V-E-R-Y. Very. Good job. Now, guys, remember on Friday when we do our test, you're going to have to try to spell these words without looking. So make sure you're really practicing seeing them and reading them, but also being able to spell them. All right, we're going to review our red words from last week and this week. Here we go. These, use, many, which, does, first, made, very. All right, guys, I am very proud of you guys for how hard you worked today. Kiss your brains and you are done with phonics for today.